Hey, what's up, everyone? It's TechWares, and today's August 7th, 2025. This is actually pretty crazy, man. This is sort of breaking news from this morning. Trump, president of the US, has urged the Intel CEO to resign, calls him conflicted. The Intel CEO just became CEO not too long ago. Hasn't even been a year. Um, so this is actually pretty crazy. This is gonna shock the tech industry. Not only that, it's a major thing with Intel as well. So President Trump, this is from Bloomberg, by the way, has called the CEO, the chief executive officer of Intel, to resign because of what he called conflicts of interest. So the CEO of Intel, this is what Trump said on the Truth Social that nobody uses. I don't know who the hell uses Truth Social. He said the CEO of Intel is highly conflicted and must resign immediately. Trump wrote on Truth Social Thursday, there is no other solution to this problem. Thank you for your attention to this problem. This week, Republican Senator Tom Cotton asked the chairman of Intel's board to answer questions about the CEO Lip Bhutan's ties to China, including investments in the country's semiconductor companies and others with connections to the country's military. In a letter to Frank Yeary, who oversees the chipmaker's board of directors, Cotton asked about investments Tan made in China before he was picked to run Intel. Cotton noted specific concerns about Tan ties to Cadence Design Systems, a tech company he led for over a decade, which sold products to Chinese military university. The company pleaded guilty in July to violating U.S. export controls by selling hardware to software to China's National University of Defense Technology. Intel and Mr. Tan deeply committed to the national security of the U.S. and integrity of our role in the U.S. defense ecosystem, the company said in a statement Wednesday. Intel said it would address the matters in that letter with the senator. Intel shares fell. I mean, all these things are kind of ridiculous. I don't want to really get political and talk about geopolitics and things like that, but this is clearly ridiculous. Because the U.S. sells and invests in foreign companies all over the world, in their military. So this is just ridiculous, man. Let's see what it's doing for the Intel shares. I'm guessing they're going down, or they might be going up. Trump ally con us. But yeah, we'll see what happens, man. I don't I don't know if Litboo's gonna resign. If he does, who's gonna be the CEO? But yeah, of course, Intel needs government funding. Every company in the world, every semiconductor company in the world, they're kind of funded by the governments. Japan's semiconductor industry is funded by the government. Um, TSMC, of course, they're funded by Taiwan. So yeah, Intel needs government funding. They're important to the country, important to the national security, national defense. So yeah, we'll see what happens, man. But this is kind of crazy news, especially on the Thursday morning. Take care, everyone. Peace.